Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox and take our first look at the Sparx Neo 15 Ultra smartphone. The Sparx Neo 15 Ultra was recently launched in Pakistan in 2025, and it comes with some impressive features for a budget smartphone, including a 120Hz display, Android 15, a large 5000 mAh battery, and a modern design. So without wasting any time, let's open the box and see what we get inside and what this phone offers. Here is the box of the Sparx Neo 15 Ultra. On the front side of the box, you can see the Sparx branding and the model name, and on the back side there are usually some of the key specifications mentioned. Now let's go ahead and open the box. After opening the box, the first thing we see is the Sparx Neo 15 Ultra smartphone itself. Let's put the phone aside for a moment and check the accessories included in the box. Inside the box you will find back cover of phone, glass protector sheet, SIM ejector pin, user manual and warranty card, power adapter, USB Type-C charging cable. These are the standard accessories included with the device. First look and design. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. The Sparx Neo 15 Ultra features a large 6.75-inch HD+ display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which should provide smoother scrolling and a better viewing experience while browsing or watching videos. On the front, there is a V-notch style selfie camera. The back side of the phone has a modern camera module design, giving the phone a stylish look even though it is a budget device. On the right side of the phone you will find the power button, the volume buttons, and at the bottom you can see the USB Type-C charging port, the speaker grill, the microphone, camera. Talking about the camera, the Sparx Neo 15 Ultra comes with a 50-megapixel main rear camera, which is designed to capture detailed photos in different lighting conditions. On the front side, the phone includes an 8-megapixel selfie camera for selfies, video calls, and social media. Performance and software. The phone runs on Android 15, which means users get the latest Android features and improved system performance. It is powered by an octa-core processor, designed to handle daily tasks such as social media apps, a video streaming, a messaging, a web browsing. The device also comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, which should be enough for apps, photos, and videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more smartphone unboxings and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.